Creating multiple Gmail accounts on both PC and mobile devices is straightforward. Here's how you can do it. On mobile device, you can just go ahead and open up your Gmail, right, if you have downloaded. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna click your account at the top right. Okay, and from here you're gonna be able to log out by clicking manage account on this device. You can just turn it off and you can log out of this account. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you can scroll a bit down and add another account and go ahead and set up your own email, right? In my case, I'm gonna continue adding my Google account, right? If you want to add more than one account, just continue registering or creating your account and select your reason. In my case, for personal use, enter your first name and then hit next, right? Enter your birthday, month, and then year. Okay, and select your gender. The same step applies on PC. So as you can see, I'm gonna like this, then hit next. Basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna add a password for your account and then hit next, and then of course you're gonna verify via phone number or other email. Okay, and then basically you're gonna be able to add your account alongside the list of your accounts right here. So I almost forgot, as for PC, what you're gonna do, you're gonna click your avatar icon at the top right, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just sign up or add another account. In my case, I'm gonna add another account, and then so you click use another account and click create account, and then select your reason, personal, child, or whatever. In my case, personal. Enter your first name, of course, and last name if you want to, and then enter, of course, your birthday, right? 2001, and select your gender, male, and then hit next, and of course enter your own email. You get the gist. And afterwards, go ahead and add your own. After you add your own email, add your password and confirm your password. And after you confirm your password, you're gonna be able to add your own phone number, same as the phone, and then you're gonna be able to add it to the list of your multiple accounts. See you in the next one.